Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cook at Home. Today I am sharing a weight loss recipe, mushroom and egg scramble. It's very healthy, tasty and easy. So let's get started. Guys, if you like this video and enjoy this video, then please subscribe to my channel and do like and share my all videos. Guys, first you will have to chop some ingredients. Here I am taking 250 grams of mushroom. Wash and peel them and chop them in small chunks. 1 medium sized onion roughly chopped, 2 medium sized tomatoes roughly chopped and 2 whole eggs. You can use egg whites also. Heat a non-stick pan or a kadhai and then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or mustard oil and spread the oil all over the kadhai. Once the oil is medium hot, add your chopped mushrooms and fry them on medium to high flame. Keep stirring the mushrooms continuously. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can use Kashmiri red chili powder and green chili also. Beat the eggs until they become smooth and fluffy. You can see the texture of eggs. You can use electric beater or hand beater. I am using spoon here. Guys, you can see our mushrooms is golden brown now. So now I am transferring them. Transfer all mushrooms in a plate or a bowl. After transferring mushrooms, in the same remaining oil, add chopped onions and saute them until they become transparent. After 2 minutes, onions is becoming transparent, so now I am adding tomatoes. Mix the tomatoes. After mixing tomatoes, add very little 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt according to your taste. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes until the raw flavors of masalas are diminished. After 2 minutes, add half cup of water and stir well. Cover the kadai with the lid and cook the gravy until tomatoes become soft. After 2 to 3 minutes, remove the lid and mash the tomatoes with the help of the spatula. After mashing tomatoes, it will look like this, and then add the beaten eggs into this gravy and scramble it with spatula. Add fried mushrooms also. Cook this scramble on medium flame. It will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes. Stir this scramble continuously until the eggs are cooked on medium flame. In last, I am adding 1 chopped green chili. I like the raw flavor of it, that's why I am adding it in last. If you liked it cooked, then you can add it in starting also. Finish the scramble with fresh chopped coriander leaves or parsley. Mix it again and our mushroom and egg scramble is ready to be served. Easy, tasty and healthy mushroom and egg scramble is ready. Serve it hot, enjoy it with roti or naan. You can use this scramble in sandwiches also. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel and do like and share my all videos on your social media. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, eat light, stay fit.